Small habits can lead to remarkable changes in our lives. In his book, Atomic Habits, James Clear emphasizes that tiny habits, when consistently practiced, can create powerful transformations. Firstly, Clear explains the concept of atomic habits. These are small, incremental changes that compound over time. Rather than aiming for drastic overnight changes, he suggests focusing on 1% improvements. These minor adjustments might seem insignificant at first, but they can lead to extraordinary outcomes. One of the key ideas is the power of compound growth. Just as money multiplies through compound interest, the effects of your habits multiply as you repeat them. If you get just 1% better each day, you'll end up 37 times better after 1 year. Clear introduces the 4 laws of behavior change to help build better habits. 1. Make it obvious. Design your environment to make cues of good habits more visible. For example, if you want to read more, place a book on your pillow each morning. 2. Make it attractive. Pair a habit you need to do with a habit you want to do. For instance, listen to your favorite podcast while exercising. 3. Make it easy. Reduce friction by making good habits simple and accessible. Prepare your workout clothes the night before if you plan to exercise in the morning. 4. Make it satisfying. Reward yourself for completing a habit. This reinforces the behavior and makes it more likely to stick. Clear also highlights the importance of identity-based habits. Instead of focusing on what you want to achieve, concentrate on who you wish to become. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to run a marathon," say, "I am a runner." This shift in identity can drive lasting behavior change. Moreover, the book discusses the concept of habit stacking. By linking a new habit to an existing one, you can create a strong foundation for habit formation. For example, after you brush your teeth, you can do 5 minutes of meditation. Understanding the plateau of latent potential is crucial. Often, we give up because we don't see immediate results. However, habits take time to show their true impact. Stay patient and trust the process. Lastly, Clear emphasizes the role of the environment in shaping our habits. By altering your surroundings, you can make good habits easier and bad habits harder. For instance, if you want to eat healthier, keep nutritious foods within reach and hide the junk food. In conclusion, Atomic Habits teaches us that by making small changes, we can achieve remarkable results. The journey to self-improvement is not about making big leaps, but about making consistent, incremental progress. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your habits transform your life.